Hello everyone and welcome to our field study journey.
In every classroom, we discover something new.
This is where theory meets practice.
And where we learn what it truly means to be a teacher.
Join us as we explore another exciting day of learning. For Activity 5, we focus on the domain of assessment and reporting. This activity helps us understand how teachers assess learning outcomes and provide feedback that guides students toward improvement. We realize that assessment is not only about giving grades, it is also about identifying what students already know, what they need help with, and how they can grow through feedback.
During our observation, the teacher used a pre-brainstorming activity instead of a written quiz. Students were grouped and encouraged to discuss their answers before sharing them with the class.
One representative from each group was asked to solve a problem on the board. The teacher guided the discussion and gave feedback after each solution was presented.
We saw how this method allowed students to learn from one another. The teacher's feedback focused on what the group did correctly and offered gentle corrections when needed. This created a positive learning environment.
The classroom atmosphere was interactive and supportive. Students were not afraid to share their ideas because they knew mistakes were part of the learning process.
It clearly reflected domain 5, assessment and reporting. The teacher used classroom activities such as tools for assessment, observing not just the answers, but how students explain and justify their thinking.
This made us realize that assessment doesn't always have to be a test. Even through discussion, participation, and teamwork, teachers can gauge how much learners understand.
To sum it up, assessment and feedback go hand in hand in supporting students' learning.
Through activities like brainstorming, teacher can see how learners think and work together.
Feedback becomes meaningful when it motivates students to keep improving.
We also learned that assessment should be fair, clear, and used to guide, not to discourage students.
As future teachers, we aim to use assessment as a way to inspire progress, not just to measure it.
And the most of all, we are reminded that good feedback builds confidence, understanding, and a love for learning.